Morning everyone, welcome to another day and another step on this adventure, restoring a BMW E36 Touring. If you're new to the channel, the first episode I picked up the car, I showed it to my buddy Arch. You ready? Are you excited? And we've embarked upon the adventure of restoring the car. There is a problem if you've watched the videos, the clutch broke. That happened on our big shoot day. So what we're trying to do is do as much as we can before we get the clutch fixed. Things you can do that are nice and simple and improve the car. Anyway, I've fueled up, I've got some lunch for us. Off we go. Better get going because I'm running late. You've seen how much crap there is in the car.
What do you want, tea?
Oh, I'll have a cup of tea, yeah. Look at that. Completely crammed full of stuff. As per usual. What I thought we could do today is continue on the easy fixes for the car, the exterior. So we did quite a lot last week. It's a week later. I want to do spraying today.
Is spraying on the car or bits of the car?
Bits of the car. Today is what I would like to call a rattle can restoration. We're going to do what we can because I did it on my blue one.
So we could actually do it around here maybe?
Yes, well we've got to. Yeah.
Yeah, fine.
We'll do it here at your David Cameron writing shed. We don't have anywhere, so it means we have to work outside, in the elements. But it's fine.
That's fine.
Okay, let's go. Let's do some work.
Right, we're recording. Okay, hold tight now. Launching drone.
Take off.
What I think we're going to do is this. Look at this. Here. So
Okay.
remove these, spray paint those. Spray paint those. You can see how they're all grey
Yeah.
and crappy. That hasn't got any of this Cosmos Black paint on it. So we'll do that. We'll respray the plastic trim. Because can you see how it's all faded? So that works really well. I sprayed that on my other one. This is in the spirit of easy fixes, right?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'll remove these.
Martin
Yeah.
likes tea.
I like a good cup
He
of
likes
tea.
a nice cup of watery, milky tea.
Yeah. Or not, what goes where? Those are really hard to undo. So let's
Why?
they get rusted in and...
Just give me a screwdriver, I'll do those.
All right.
I'll do.
Everyone needs a hero.
Just give me a screwdriver, I'll do this.
Okay, there's always going to be one,
Oh, I heard it crack.
Yeah,
Isn't that satisfying hearing it crack?
but I need a bigger screwdriver.
Oh yeah, there's not much to play with, is there?
No. Yeah, this is not looking good.
Well, so it's only one left, huh? But don't worry, we're going to take the whole thing off right now, and then that way we can fiddle with it on a bench and do it without.
Do you want tea? Endless cups of tea. Is that done?
Yeah.
There's a cable.
There'll be a bit of rubber.
What about that? That needs to just be undone.
Yeah. You just pull.
Ah, okay. But it was that, but yeah.
Okay, so we can fight this. All right, so we'll rinse and repeat on the other side. Let's remove the windscreen wipers as well. To enjoy a bit of action. Right, over to you.
Is that it? Okay, that just wasn't quite the way I intended it.
Okay, this is your moment, as Martin McCutcheon would say.
Your moment, perfect moment. You know, I lived in a flat in London next door to her.
Everyone was very excited. Celebrity.
My moment. Well, her best thing was in Love Actually. She, you know, Prime Minister's bird. Okay, I'm having a nut panic. Oh, hang on. It's in there. Of course it is. Idiot. Crisis over.
All right.
Come here,
I hope the helicopters don't bash into it. Ski Sunday.
Doesn't like landing on the grass.
Right, let's put these back then.
These are a bit wonky.
Do you remember I told you about hateful tools?
I think there's a spider in my head. Look at that.
Well, you've got lots of hair. It's very luxuriant. I can't see it in there. Oh my God, it's a luxuriant head of hair. Right, we've got to select which pieces we want. So these came off Hero. Totally 100% match. We'll paint that as well, just in case. So this one has no scratch.
These are actually in good shape.
What we're going to do, clean them. I wouldn't bother using water because we're just going to spray over the top. So we'll use this degreaser. Lots of rags. I know, murder gloves. Yeah, but at least it'll protect your hands. That's what matters, you know. Right, let's let them dry off a bit.
Don't ruin my grass.
Don't ruin my grass. Right, whilst those are drying, we're going to clean, rub down and degrease these. Yeah, here, rub down that one. Did you hurt it?
Ow! Ow! Wiggle it around.
Wiggle it, just a little bit. Guess what you got to do with these?
A cup of tea.
Yeah, get a cup of tea. Go on then. I'm always, you know me. I'm mad for cups of tea. Mad for them. Right, one final degrease of everything, and then we spray. You run over everything with a tack cloth, and it takes away dust. And we'll do it before we spray as well. Do you have a mask? Okay, I've got a mask. I can give you. It's not a proper mask, but it will be better than nothing. Now you'll see how nice these will come up. They'll come up super nice.
Is this what I'm wearing?
Yeah, that's all I've got for you.
God. Who's been wearing this?
Oh, it was my rent boy. No primer? No need. That's annoying, don't do that.
Is this really that toxic?
Can't be too careful.
Safety never sleeps.
Oh yeah. I don't like this paint much actually, I prefer the Halfords one. If I'm honest, Upol. Right, is that all of those done? Yeah. Right, this one needs doing. You need to mask off the rubber bit. He's dry, yeah. Put them in the sun. I'm just trying out this Cosmos Black from Halfords. We'll see if it's a good match.
Very odd style.
So first you do a key coat. Whilst that's keying up, we need to get 2 wheels. Interesting.
Failed me for the last.
Et voila.
You don't need to wear a mask just for a hole.
It's just easier than taking it off. It's the noisiest compressor. Kicks in. So basically we've run out of time, haven't we? We'll have to fit everything tomorrow or the next day whenever we next do it.
Nice, but there are only 2.
Yeah, we've got to do the others. That one's a practice, that one got better. Now we know what to do, we'll do everything. We'll do them all properly. Right, ready for the wet coat? Here we go. So this is our effort,
Right.
but it's fine for now. I don't quite know how it's happened. You now are the proud owner of some silver grass.
Oh my god.
Silver grass. Oh my god.
We need to, next time, put the black stuff.
I will be upset.
We masked everything else off, but didn't really think about the stuff underneath. But if you want a bit of thinners, do you want a bit of thinners? That, well, I think it would make a bad thing worse. It'll, you know, photosynthesize or whatever. So uncaring.
Well, has it been a productive day?
It's been hugely productive. Look, I'm like Gary Glitter. Right, grab your tea. Better tell everyone. Go on then.
We're going to put the wing mirrors back on.
Yeah.
I've actually forgotten all the bits. Wing mirrors,
Trim.
trim, windscreen wipers,
Yep.
and that's it, I think.
Yeah. So let's get cracking, shall we?
Let's go.
We finish a cup of tea first.
Oh, for God's sake.
Ah, look at that. It looks so much better already. Awesome. I love this as a fix. It's just such a simple fix.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's
All
do a
right.
wing mirror.
All right. Oh, look at that wrist action.
That one went in.
Look at that. That's someone who knows how to. Yeah, so if you're going to set up a car channel, yeah, strongly recommend you don't do it in a field of gravel.
Oh, do shut up.
I'm obviously resisting the urge to make any comment about
What's wrong with that?
scratching the paintwork.
No, I'm not scratching it.
It's on the other side.
It's on the wrong side.
Yeah.
I'm sure you told me. You said it was this side. That makes me so
I
happy.
genuinely not know.
That makes me so happy.
Well, no one's perfect, you know.
Mr. Know-It-all doesn't know it all.
How the apprentice has become the master.
Just sprayed me in the eyes again.
I was just about.
I mean, it wouldn't be an episode
No,
without
well,
you
that's
getting
what I was gonna
some
say.
kind of chemical in my eye. Don't mind.
Right, these are the bits we painted. It's not great, but it's got a bit of orange
disagree.
peel.
I don't understand the orange peel.
That's the Halfords match. It's not bad. So anyway, we could just put that on, and it should certainly be a massive improvement. Well, it's better than it was, definitely. And those look so much better. Well, it's stuck in. We'll never get it out. We'll get rid of that. Oh, that is $1 million.
It looks good. I mean, this looks
Oh,
very
stunning.
clean.
Stunning.
Clean.
Stunning. Needs another clean, it's dirty. That's the problem with black, it shows.
Return to home.
All right. Looks a lot better. The front and back easy fixes are done. Just got to paint this cover. Cool. Just going to make a cup of tea, retreat to the cabin. It's been a good day. Tune in next time. You can say it to me. Say it to me. Conversation. There's a conversation. Oh, mic drop. He's doing a mic drop. All right, that's enough.
See you next
Okay,
time.
see you next time. So let's see how we get on with the interior fixes. We've got quite a lot to do.
I really don't want you doing that next to me ever again.
Well, that's better already, doesn't it? Look at that. Do you want me to go from
Absolutely not. Don't want you swooping in with the victory.
yeah.
He sweats.
Hold on. Oh, it's coming. Easy.
Hold on, stop.
All we have to do is make sure we don't break.
If you mention that we shouldn't break this, obviously I'll scream.
But yeah, it's much better.
It does look really good. It's worth doing.